On today's video, I want to share with you the 3 different locations where you can find the fuse box on Nissan Rogue. I had some issue trying to find that box where it has the headlight fuses, but I eventually was able to find it, and therefore I want to share with you all the 3 different locations in case you need it. So the first fuse box is inside the vehicle, and it's right here. This pocket right here, you just pull it out and it's gonna come right out, and this is where you can find the first set of the fuses and relays. And as you can see on the back of the cover, it has all the name of what those fuses are for. Let's say, for example, the amp, bus amp, that must be the music, the heater blower, all those fuses that are located right here inside the cab. And inside here there is an important tool that I want to show you. This little plastic tool right here is gonna help you to remove any fuse, and it's hidden right there. That's why it's you can find it easily, and it's gonna help you remove or install any fuse. And now let's go to the next fuse box. The next fuse box, it's hidden a little bit here by this intake pipe. So the box is underneath there. And to take this intake pipe, you need to take out these 2 fasteners. And all you need is a simple tool, a flat tip screwdriver. And all you need is to pry in between that fastener, and it's gonna come right out just like that. So once you get the 2 fastener out, you're gonna disconnect this by pressing down the 2 tabs. There's 2 tabs on each side of this intake pipe, and it's gonna come right out. Super easy. And here comes our next fuse box. Is right there, and it's also held by a few tabs. There is 2 tabs on the front and another one that you need just to press it. You press and it's gonna come right out. Okay, there we go. Some fuses. It's not a whole lot, and when I went through, I kind of figure still there is a third box, because when I went through this box right here, the box cover, I didn't see any lighting fuses. So it's just the horn relay, few fuses here and there. So the third fuse box, what I thought with my head is that this is another fuse box until when I opened it up. So it was kind of tricky to find the third fuse box. So this, I had to take this one out because I thought this is a fuse box. And it's also held by several tabs on each side. And what you need is to pry them out. Like you push them outwards in order to get it. It was kind of tricky. You're gonna struggle with it, but again, you're gonna need that special tool, this flat tip screwdriver. So on each tab, you just pry that box out like so. Just like that. And when I pull it out, I thought this is a fuse box. Let me show you what was underneath there. Look, it's a bunch of wires. I didn't know where they were heading. I thought it's gonna be a fuse box. So I went back and I did a little bit of research, trying to find out where is this third box. So after doing some few research, I came back to the same box, and I had to flip it inside out. Let me show you here real quick what I'm talking about. So those wires, I had to play around with them to straighten it up so I can be able to flip it inside out, and look what it is. The fuse box, the fuses and the relays are on the back of the box. It was kind of tough to figure that out because I've not seen this before. So Nissan Rogues, they have a different kind of design of stuff, but all the fuses, there is a whole lot of fuses on the back of this box, and you need to kind of orient it in a way so you're able to read this data plate, the one that shows the which fuse is for what. So let me zoom out here real quick so you can be able to read. And here are the fuses that I was looking for. The headlamp right here on the right, on the left, the high beams, low beams, spare fuses, AC comp. So this is how it's oriented according to starting with the 10 amp right there, 30. So, and you read through that data plate, is you see how it's oriented. And now let me share with you something. I have an important tool here, the one you need to test the fuses, see the fuse is working or not. And it's a simple tool right there. It comes with that alligator clip that you need to put it on the negative side of the battery, or on either a bare, if you can find a bare bolt, and then you clamp it there just like that. And then the tip, you're going to point on any terminal of the fuse, because the fuse has two terminals. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So if you touch the terminal like that, there is a bulb inside this tool that is going to light up like that to show that there is power that are going through that fuse. So not all the fuses is going to work this way until you have, if the fuse is for the, let's say the wipers, you're going to have to turn the wipers on in order for that power to go through that fuse. And that's how this tool is worked. And if you need one of those tools, I'm going to attach a link on the description below. So let me know what you think about anything on this video. Your questions, comment, put it on the comment section below. And to put this box back, you just need to line it up and place it down, and it's going to click in place just like that. And the same thing you do to the next to the other box. You just line it up and it's going to click in place. Again, I also want to say thank you for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hey, hit that red subscribe button and consider being one of our supporter, and God bless you. So that's how you put it back together. And now let's put the intake back in place, and it's the same way. It's easy. You just line it up, those tabs on each side, and push it through. Make sure you line up the holes as well for the fasteners. And this whole job, all you needed was two tools. If you gotta replace any fuse, was that plastic thing that I showed you on the beginning, and to take out the fasteners, the flat tip screwdriver. And guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. The next video is coming up soon, so subscribe, share, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.